Assalamualaikum and hey guys, welcome back to JustKosme channel. And today video I'm going to unboxing a wish trend product. I'm excited to unboxing this whole box because I really want at least touch their product. This is a pretty big box. What you have here is it's just 3 samples. I've tried for serum before. It's kind of like 50-50 for me. So they have their Klairs sample. And this is interesting because this is a lot of sample. You can use it for your travel or anything like that. So in a box, I have another box which is the set of the deep cleansing package with 5 products. They have a deep cleansing oil, their famous cleansing oil. I think all of the Klairs product is really famous. I can smell like the Klairs product smells, if you know what I mean. It's like the herby smell, but a pleasant herby smell. Oh, they have the pour charcoal soap. It's in a cube. If you want to use it, just cut a little bit of the cube, and then use it. And then my friend said it lasts like a month or at least more than that, depends on how you using it. So this is good for cleansing the pore. And then the gentle black sugar facial polish. So I've heard this so many times before. So this is a physical scrub because it's got that like sugary texture, something like that. If you use this alone, it will be great, but if you mix it with the deep cleansing oil, it will be much more better. This is the supper preparation facial toner, like I said before. This is like the old version, the scented one. The new one is unscented one, but in this box they give this old scented version of it. And then last but not least, to complete all the skincare routine, we need a cotton pad. So what is great about this cotton pad is it's 100% cotton. I think it combines with a sponge pad. So besides you just wipe off your residue after you're cleansing your face, you can also use it as your mask. Just put a little bit of Klairs toner, put on the cotton pad and just put it on your face, let it soak for 50 minutes and then you're good to go. So let's move on to the big box. This is the more exciting things for me because we have so many midnight blue things inside here. So the first one is a midnight blue cream. Even the name blue, the cream actually in a blue color. Yes guys. Ooh. But can I take it back what I'm saying? It doesn't smell like anything. That's weird. Color is really blue. So I take a little bit and then just test it on my hand. As you can see, I can feel like hydration more on this side rather than this side. And then another midnight blue calming cream, another from our midnight blue range. This is a midnight blue youth activating drop. So this one is, they contain EGF and BFGF and 95% raw materials for anti-aging. If you are looking for anti-aging drop or serum, this might be good for you. And then another supper preparation facial toner. Yep. And then another one. It is really good guys, so that's why they bought like 2 of it, because they want to stock it and use it every day. Every day. I've heard it from my colleague that they said that their pores are getting smaller, or it's cleaner than before. And then because they love cotton pad, so they bought another 2. Again, my colleague said once you use this cotton pad, you didn't want to turn back to other cotton pad. And then it's affordable for like 120 pieces, I think. What? Is it 120 pieces? Yep, they are 120 pieces. So this is enough for like a month, or if you want to like use it like lama, you can just fold. And that's all for today. And I want to show you what my table looks like. It's full of like Klairs product here, Klairs product here, and another product as well, but it's Klairs product. Focus here, more focus here. And oh my god, this is a mountain of Klairs, you guys. You can use it like one whole year is enough for you. I think that's all for today. And if you guys love this video, make sure to just like click the thumb up button. And if you have any idea or any suggestion, just comment down below. And don't forget to follow our Instagram and Twitter at JustKosme if you want to like show your makeup look and reviewing another product like this Klairs product. Make sure to just head to justkosme.com. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you guys soon. Bye bye. Annyeong.
Derp 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 derp.